So everybody, this is Adam with Reese Customs. Today we're going to be hydro dipping some cups. Start off by priming it. It's tan color. Hello Charlotte. Back up, say hey.
Hi guys.
Alright.
You
ready? Yeah, what do we need?
So we need a gallon of water.
Yeah.
We need camouflage color.
Yep.
And then you just get started. So guys, and you are gonna need to shake up really good.
Yep. Shake it.
6 to 6, 6 to 6. Not for too long, just for a couple minutes. But you need to shake it really good. Or then it won't work. Can I open it now?
Yeah. So what we're going to do, I want you to come back up a little bit when I spray. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're going to spray the paint on the water like that.
Open this?